wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best fermenting kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Make homemade sauerkraut or vinegar without worrying about a frustrating water-filled bubbler by using the economically built fermentem wide mouth for all your pickling needs. While it's a good value, it's available only in an 8-piece set and doesn't include jars. It is made with dishwasher-safe components and includes a washable storage case. However, the waterless air valve is unreliable. At number 9, with a straightforward design that's free of latex and BPA, the Fermenting Joy lids are a budget-friendly solution to home pickling needs. Watch your vegetables cure while the lactobacillus burps through a water-based air valve, just like the one seen atop carboys. It's easily sanitized for safe use and comes with a basic recipe guide, but there are no jars or storage lids included. Coming in at number 8 on our list, great for batches of kefir, kombucha or kimchi. The farmcurious mold-free is a great value and comes in a classic design that proves versatile and simple to use. Attractive packaging and presentation make this a wonderful gift for the budding home chef. It's available in 3 colors and is easy to take apart and clean. However, the seal is prone to leakage under pressure. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fermenting kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you need to ferment large amounts of fresh veggies at once for your restaurant or special event, the Crazy Korean E-Gen is made for you. Available from 3.4 liters all the way up to a huge 45 liters, this choice will help you tackle any size of pickling task with ease. It's made from BPA-free plastic with a clay blend, and a double-walled lid keeps the odors down, but it does require daily burping and resealing. Moving up our list to number 6. If you have several different recipes waiting to be experimented with, it's a good idea to look at the quality, reliable products, no weights. The molded and vented inserts help keep your ingredients below the level of the brine, preventing contamination. It's sold in packs of 3 to 48 with your choice of standard or wide mouth. It's a very low cost per unit. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Picklemeister glass is one of the simplest options around, making it perfect for amateur food preservation enthusiasts who haven't pickled before. It utilizes a classic bubble-style airlock and comes with instructions and recipe ideas to get you started. It's available in a variety of sizes and includes its own jar. It's made in the USA. At number 4, using a unique coil system rather than traditional weights, the Trellis & Co. Picklehelix constantly pushes down your veggies to keep them contained within the brine during the process. Plus, the lids are easy to remove so you can taste test as you go. It's made from surgical-grade stainless steel with silicone valves and gaskets. It comes in a hand-stamped gift box. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Available in both wide and regular mouth options, the masontops complete will suit anyone's needs. The waterless airlock lids automatically vent excess gases, and the included glass weights keep your ingredients submerged to prevent mold growth. It sports a sleek modern look and is an easy-to-use set-and-forget design. It includes a vegetable pounder. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fermenting kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, sized from 5 to 20 liters, the German-style TSM Products Harvest Pot provides a heavy-duty system for processing medium to large batches of produce. An easily filled water channel enables one-way air venting for simple, no-fuss cured vegetables. It includes weights to submerge the food and is free of harmful cadmium and lead. It's also great for kombucha. And coming in at number 1 on our list, including a hand pump for extracting oxygen during the later stages of the pickling process. The wildly popular Nourished Essentials Easy Fermenter comes with 3 lids, allowing you to experiment with small batches of multiple recipes at the same time. Its low-profile tops means it will store anywhere, and there are no water-based airlocks to fill. It works with most standard mason jars. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fermenting kits, or simply click beneath this video.